Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my September and October 2023 Chic Beauty Box unboxing. So this is a box that you get every other month, which is why this is my September and October box. But this is a really fun subscription box because it's all full-size products and all makeup products, which is what I really love to get in my beauty subscriptions. And this is only $35 for each box. And so far, I've been pretty happy with this. It's a relatively new subscription for me, but you get to customize your choices, and usually the brands in here are pretty great. So I'm really excited to get into the unboxing this time around. I also got in the bag that it came in the mail with, this product that doesn't fit in the box there. So let's start with this one here. This is the Suva Toppers Pressed Pigment Palette. I recognize the brand Suva Beauty. I've definitely tried out eyeliners from this brand before, I think. The packaging on this is so fun. Ooh, now this is a unique looking palette. It's, you know, I'm actually going to resist swatching these because I think this is going to be such a fun review video. So if you're not familiar with me and my channel, I have a series here on YouTube where I try out a new makeup product pretty much every other day. So I do full dedicated review videos on the makeup products that I get in my beauty subscriptions. So this looks like it's, yeah, like maybe duochrome toppers. Like just looking at it here, they all look like the same white silver color, but it says daiquiri, lemon drop, cotton candy, and mojito. So I'm very intrigued by this. It's so neat. So yeah, I'm gonna have to try this out right away. It's gonna go at the top of my pile because I am so intrigued. But now, let's see what is in the box here. Oh, it's such a cute theme with the pink Halloween. And we've got some product information here. So the Suva Beauty Holographic Topper Palette is a retail value of $35. So that right there is already how much I paid for this box. All right, next I've got, from Cover FX, a great brand to get in a beauty subscription. This is the Shimmer Veil in the shade Halo. Oh my gosh, we are getting a kind of holographic shimmery theme so far. Oh my gosh, and this even looks like a similar color to the Suva Toppers here. But this looks so pretty and sparkly, and I love like a white shimmer for some highlighting, great for the inner corner. So I'm excited about the color that I got in this, and I know that the Cover FX Shimmer Veil is a great product. And I think it's pretty pricey. Yeah, the Cover FX Shimmer Veil is a retail value of $28. Next up, oh my gosh, another shimmery, beautiful eye product. And this is from MAC. I'm very excited to see MAC in this box. This is the Extra Dimension eyeshadow in the shade Smoky Mauve. Oh my gosh. I think putting all of these eyeshadow products together in one look is probably going to look so awesome. A great Halloween type makeup collection here. Oh my gosh, this looks so nice. And I love a purpley mauve shade. Oh my gosh, beautiful. The MAC Cosmetics Extra Dimension eyeshadow is a retail value of $20. Yeah, some pricey products that I have pulled out so far. Next up, we're going a little bit more drugstore here. This is the Maybelline New York Hyper Easy Eyeliner that I got in the shade number 3 medium brown. So this is not quite as exciting of a product in my opinion. However, I use a brown eyeliner every day. I wear it on the lower lash line and the top lash line. So this is actually a type of product that I will get good use out of. So I am pretty excited to get this, even though it's not super exciting for a product compared to what I've pulled out so far. But the Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner No Slip Pencil is a retail value of $10. And then I've got, my last product in here. Oh, yeah, this is a dud. This is not what I like to see. Just a little eyeshadow set, brush set from Alamar Beauty. It's crease contour brush, pigment packer brush, and a detailed diffuser brush. I just do not like to get brushes anymore because I have way too many from previous beauty subscriptions and they're just not as exciting to me. So the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish Brush Trio is $18 value. Oh man, so on the product information card here, it says all of the products that you could have gotten. So the other two products that I could have gotten that I instead got this brush set is the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. That is the highest retail value and I didn't get it in my box. That actually makes me very upset and I'm kind of bummed that they even put it on the product card. So now I know that I missed out on that. The other product is the IT Cosmetics Pillow Lips Solid Serum Lip Gloss, which I would have way rather gotten than these brushes. So I would have felt like this was a decent box, but because I see the products that I didn't get, I'm actually pretty disappointed and mad about that. Because every single product that I got in this box is for the eyes. So it's not a very versatile box. I mean, I got my product value for what I spent, but it just makes me feel like I don't want to continue getting this because I feel like I didn't get the products that I would have liked to get. So let me know in the comments down below what products you got in your box. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.